What's up, folks? We're out here using the old school red American charcoal pit. That's old school right there. Old school. No matter what you cook on, if you know how to cook, you can make it great. Got me a Cloud Bro cigar. Like I told you on this channel, we're gonna smoke cigars, we're gonna drink, and we're gonna cook. See how I got there? I stack my charcoal before I light it. It is match light because I don't have much time today. Match light and light it. That's why I love match light, man. Quick and to the point. Don't take it but a minute to get it going. Tonight we're gonna cook steak and hamburgers. Throw my grate across like that. We lit together. Look at that match light. Burn that charcoal white. Oh yeah. Woo! Your charcoal is rolling. That charcoal is rolling on them steaks and burgers.